What's up, YouTube fans? This is Redskins Fan Forever with another pack opening. We're going to crush a box of Absolute that I got from my LCS. And I'm thinking of maybe either doing a break with this or possibly just opening it during one of my auctions, or maybe opening it with Mike tomorrow night if he's up for it. So we'll think about that one. Let's get right into it. 2 packs, four premium hits. Gotta open them with the old fingernail. I don't have my knife on me. I'm at work. There we go. Gonna start with the Lou Bob. Or no, this is, yep, it's Lou Bob again on this one too. Come on, open up. Here we go. Sorry about that, folks. Hopefully I can pull another Tatis auto. Would be nice. I know somebody will be jealous if I do. Up there. Got a Trout on the back. See what we got here. We're going to start out with a Clayton Claus, or no, Tyler Glasnow, sorry, my bad. Trevor Bauer, trash. Nelson Cruz, Bo Bichette, Pete Alonso, a red of Nolan Arenado. This guy's haunting me. A blue Nelson Cruz. Pull the back. Ooh. Icons Absolute Mike Trout. Not numbered, but that's a nice looking card. I pull these off screen, flip them around, see what they are. Let's see. It's a San Diego. That's a rookie, so I think we know who this is. All right. Jake Cronenworth on a baseball. Know my boy's going to like that one. The other one is a Donnie Walton. Look at that. It's 95 and 99, but look at the sparkles in that patch. That is sick. It's even got, I love it. Put them up there. Let's open the next box here. Oh, there we go. Wouldn't mind pulling a redemption or a 3-card auto, or whatever it is, quad autos that's on these. Okay. Get a Griffey on the back. This is kind of thin, so I'm thinking we might have a redemption in this one. Could be good. We're going to start with Aaron Judge. I think I know who that's going to go to. Mookie. Yu Darvish. Got Justin Verlander. Shohei. A Billy Martin card out of 199. Pull the back off. Oh, how about that? Cronenworth. Put that one there too. A Ken Griffey, 13 of 149. That there too. Now let's see who our hits are. I'm going to hide the redemption. We'll start with the other one. Is it sideways? We'll figure it out here eventually. Yep, it does go this way. Let's see who we got. It's one of, looks like 45. Tools of the trade. Evan Longoria. San Francisco. You get a bat and 2 pieces. Now, see who we get. On focus. Maybe if I turn this around so it doesn't have the glare. Come on. Let's try. Come on. Sorry about this, folks. Don't know why it's not focusing. Come on. Focus. Just get close. Well, we have a Panini Absolute. I'll just have to read it out to get a better camera. Absolute. The Rookie Baseball Materials. Card 178. Another Ha-Seong Kim. This is just as basic. That's two. The last one I had shipped off to a friend. See if it lets it still. Maybe it'll focus. Come on. Anyway, folks, Ha-Seong Kim. This will probably end up maybe going to him again. I'll have to see. So overall, not bad. You have Redemption, the one of actually 49. We have the Ken Griffey out of 149. The Cronenworth base. The sick Donnie Walton patch. And of course the coup de grace, as I call it. The Jake Cronenworth. And that is a double check that. 39 of 99. So, not bad at all. And also today, I hope this works. I'll show you on my phone. I bought a pack of 2018 update from my local LCS, just one. And I pulled this, the short print Juan Soto rookie. Ended up selling it to him for a very, very good deal and some cards. So, and that is it. Remember, people, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, I believe it's over there, hit the little bell, it's a little farther over, and we will have a great day. Remember, treat each other like you want to be treated, and I am gone.